In this video, I will walk you through the necessary steps in order to create and submit an online student application. If you are an active agent, you will have created your account and are ready to go. Enter your email and password information. And if you have multiple agents within your business, select the contact. That is the person who will be completing this application. Now, before you submit the application, it's really important that you review the application instructions, including the list of documents required to be submitted with the application. In the application instructions, you will find all the necessary information in detail in order to submit the application. Now, this application will take between 30 and 60 minutes to complete, and you'll be able to save your progress along the way and return to it later, as long as you complete it within 15 days. So to save on time, I've just put together a quick list of what you will need before submitting an application. You will need a scanned passport photo page of the student, their signed student success agreement, which can be found on the next page, 2 years plus the current year of transcripts or report cards translated into English. For our elementary students only, either their Roman Catholic baptismal certificate or the non-Catholic agreement, which can also be found within the application itself. At this point, the parents and student have reviewed a list of our schools and have chosen their top 3, and you will have their payment information ready. You may also require custodian declarations if you are not going with CHN or MLI, which is two of our designated homestay providers. You must contact the International Education at YCDSB email to request any one of these documents. That's the custodian declaration or the waiver of custodianship if the student will be residing with a family member or if they will be with their parent. So once you have all that information ready to go, you can create a new application. You will select new students, as this is an application for new students only. If you are applying for a short-term stay, you will select the short-term stay option. New students are students that will be with us for either 1 semester or term or a full academic year. Enter their last name, first name, as well as their birth date, and create the application. As you can see, there is another flag here reminding you of the information and documents that you need prior to submitting this application. At the bottom here, you will find a link to the Student Success Agreement, which can be printed off and signed. You will save and go next, and begin entering the necessary information. So anything with an asterisk next to it means it is a required field, and you will not be able to move on to the next page unless this information has been entered. So you want a photo of the student, select their gender, and the country as listed on their passport. We do request a student email If your child does not have an email, you can enter the contact email. Enter their first language.